The largest residential solar installer in the United States recently filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. For homeowners who went solar with them, the immediate question is, what happens to my system now? We've seen versions of this before. A few years ago, after an investigation into the Texas solar market, we started getting calls from homeowners who already had systems, but they weren't working. In many cases, the companies that sold them the system were gone, or the salesperson had stopped returning calls. There was no one to take responsibility. Atma wasn't set up as a service company at the time, but we stepped up to help the homeowners who'd been left without support. One of those homeowners was Annabella. Her system wasn't working, her roof was failing, and she was still paying a monthly bill of $200. That didn't at all reflect what she had been promised. We rebuilt her system properly. Last August, her electricity bill was just $6.96. That experience changed how we think about the industry. Solar may be installed once, but it has to perform over time, and that only works if the company behind it stays involved. Where things break down is when those responsibilities are fragmented. One group sells it, another installs it, and no one owns it once it's live. That's how homeowners end up in situations like this. Solar works. The issue is whether the company behind it is set up to support it. Atma was built with that in mind. We design the system, install it with our own team, and stay involved after installation. If your system isn't working the way it should, we're here to help, no matter who installed it. And if you want a more detailed view on what this recent situation means for homeowners and the industry, you can read the full op-ed at atma-energy.com/stories.